The 2026 Etsy trends are officially here, and this list is a bit different from my previous trend reports because these aren't the same recycled trend predictions everyone else is posting. This list is built on untapped niches, high demand, low competition pockets of opportunity that most sellers are completely overlooking right now. And the sellers who move first in these spaces are the ones who end up owning them and profiting from them. And luckily, I've already done the heavy lifting for you. For those who are new here, my name is Starla Moore, founder of the Handmade Alpha Academy for Etsy sellers and manager at erank.com, Etsy's most popular SEO tool. And part of my job is to analyze current market behavior, track emerging buyer patterns, and help sellers make smarter product decisions based on real data, not just hype. So today I'm sharing 15 of the strongest 2026 trends pulled directly from my January Trends Digest, with a heavy focus on Valentine's Day opportunities, fast-moving niches, and long-term evergreen products that can scale all year. Let's get into it. First up, and this one is already exploding, the 6'7" Valentine shirt. I know, you'll either find this one funny, especially if you're a parent, or you'll be totally confused by it. But that's where Google comes in. This trend is wild because last month there were actually more searches than total competitors for this phrase, and it's still climbing as we approach Valentine's Day. It's trademark safe, believe it or not, super giftable, and performing unusually well in international markets like Vietnam, which tells us something bigger is forming under the surface. If you're in apparel, POD, or digital items, this is an immediate listing opportunity. Next is the anatomical heart locket. This one started spiking hard in December, and it's sitting in one of the cleanest opportunity windows that I've seen all year. 510 searches with only 41 competing listings. In fact, when I searched for this term on Etsy, I noticed that only 3 or 4 of the listings were actually lockets. Most were just heart-shaped necklaces. This one is perfect for Valentine's Day and is likely to resurface again around Halloween. And it bridges multiple aesthetics like gothic, romantic, vintage, alternative, and even medical. Now, this one surprised me. Camo Deer Valentine. And this one had a huge, sudden search spike. 510 searches and only 85 competitors. And guys, almost every listing currently ranking looks the same. Literally, this is just the same design over and over again for a super high demand term. When search behavior rises but visual diversity doesn't, that's where breakout shops are born. And all you have to do is make something different. Not to mention, this theme can be applied to apparel, signs, cards, mugs, digital files, anything. Definitely don't wait for this one if it fits your niche. Next, Goose Valentine. Geese are extremely trendy right now, and this niche is performing with an insane click-through rate. It also works across almost every product category, including shirts, mugs, prints, stickers, plush, digital downloads. This is the kind of playful viral trend that converts ridiculously well for gifting. If you're in the bookish niche, Valentine's Day bookish stickers are one to keep an eye on. This trend is already showing over 1,500 searches a month and continues climbing year-round because romance readers don't stop existing in February. This is one of those rare niches that combines both fandom energy with holiday urgency. And right on its heels, Valentine's Day pink boot. No, not that kind of boot, though pink cowboy boots are pretty trendy right now. These are the little accessories that fit on the bottom of viral tumblers like Stanley cups. And believe it or not, the market is still early. That's over 1,100 searches and under 500 competitors. And if Valentine's Day tumbler boots are in demand, it may mean other holidays and styles will be next. Just something to keep in mind. Next, we pivot into one of the highest performers in POD, according to Printify, which are phone cases, and these are both profit monsters. First are hockey phone cases. This one is fascinating because it doesn't just hit the sports market. It also is exploding inside the bookish community thanks to the surge of hockey romance novels. And most of the hockey-themed phone cases that are selling are for the bookish girlies, so don't be afraid to get cute with these designs. Over 2,500 searches, only 585 competitors, and a 150% click-through rate is insane. This is exactly the kind of crossover trend that goes viral. And next are jellyfish phone cases. These saw a massive December spike. They're still climbing, and they're likely to remain strong through summer, with 2,260 searches and just 589 competitors. Animal-related trends cycle fast, but when they overlap with aesthetics and accessories, they stick. And with ocean themes gaining more popularity over the last few years, I'm going to guess that jellyfish will likely stick around for a while. Now we shift into evergreen category builders. First up is homeware. And this one blew my mind because it's so vague, yet this is the term that shoppers are using. Over 25,800 searches last month. Only 8,300 competitors. That's not a product, that's an entire shop theme. And it applies to everything: decor, kitchen, storage, textiles. I dare say that anything that serves a function in the home, especially the kitchen, could be considered homeware. So if you already sell these items in your shop and you have listings that aren't performing, try adding this keyword to your title and tags for a quick 2026 win. Now, falling into those homeware items, solid wood cutting boards are in high demand. Over 2,500 searches, steady all year round, and obviously these support premium pricing, which is good because, as I always say, it's easier to make one $100 sale than it is to make 100 $1 sales. One of the most fun trends on my list are movie review journals. This niche is exploding as gifting ramps up and people lean harder into intentional hobbies. I could even see these doing well for Mother's Day and Father's Day. Right now, movie review journals have 1,150 searches, under 540 competitors, and these can even be niched by genre or theme, like horror, romance, or comedy. You could even create sticker sets that could go with them. Staying in the journal space, reading journal stamps are a trend that started in the Bookstagram and Book Talk community and have only grown since. This is a viral product that's still early in its climb, with over 1,400 searches, under 300 competitors, and extremely marketable to the bookish audience. When searching for this keyword, there are a lot of stickers, but only a few stamps. So for all of my bookish shops or stamp makers, this is one that you'll want to jump on fast. For my techie or organization theme sellers, cable organizers are becoming more and more popular, especially for gaming setups or YouTubers like me. Ask me how I know. This trend had a record-breaking December spike, and last month's searches exceeded the total number of competitors. And this click-through rate is off the charts. These could be made from leather, they could be little bags, they could be 3D printed. There's even a few made of wood and stone on Etsy. I'd begin researching popular gaming dust colors and themes, then create a line of cable organizers towards what's already popular in this highly customized space. All right, before I reveal the final trend, I do want to quickly mention that there are only so many trends that I can fit into a quick video. So if you need more ideas, my full January 2026 Trends Digest contains 50 high opportunity trends, each backed by real search data, competition analysis, and buyer behavior research. I release a new digest every single month on my Patreon, and you can access these monthly reports for just $5 a month. I'm sure you guys know how hard it is to find these golden, high search, low competition trends, so think of it like tipping me for the hours it takes to sift through thousands of pages of Etsy search data each month, all to bring you this amazing report. You can find the link to my Patreon up here and down below. Okay, let me show you the trend that literally made me sit up in my chair. Vegetable cleaning brush. I know it sounds silly, but this item has the potential to rake in thousands of dollars, so stick with me, because this is literally the definition of an untapped niche. Last month, there were over 1,500 searches for vegetable cleaning brush. And guys, there are only 48 competing listings. 48! When I search for this item on Etsy, I can only find 3 or 4 items specifically positioned as vegetable cleaning brushes, whereas the other items are just dish brushes. Can you imagine how much money these are going to make in the spring during veggie growing season? This product sits at the intersection of sustainability, home organization, wellness, gardening, and giftable utility, and almost nobody is paying attention yet. This is exactly how new categories are born on Etsy. So if this is an item that fits your niche, start developing it as soon as humanly possible. Remember, success on Etsy isn't about chasing what's already hot. Trust me, your competitors are already taking care of those trends. It's about recognizing what's about to become viral based on real data, social behavior, and competitor gaps. Etsy is extremely saturated, and breaking through the noise is almost impossible when you sell what everyone else is already selling, which is why 2026 is going to belong to the sellers who move first. And hopefully these ideas help. Until next time, Pookie.